El perro de San Roque no tiene rabo porque Ramón Ramírez o Roberto.
El perro de San Roque. San Roque no tiene rabo. Porque Ramón Rodríguez Ramón Rodríguez
Se lo ha cortado.
se lo ha cortado. Cut.
The dog.
Style, cut.
Because
De dos monos.
The dog of
the dog no
style
goes.
because Ramón Rodríguez cut.
This is Ramon.
Ramón is what's a name.
As a name.
Coach.
So what is the whole thing?
The dog of Ramón Rodríguez. Dog.
Good.
Have no tail.
Yes,
No.
because he
Because he's cut.
could eat.
He cut it. So it's for like the pronunciation. So,
Yes.
Sí, amiga.